Dnastar allows you to design primers in 3 applications: SeqBuilder, Primer Select, and SeqMan Pro. Which application you choose depends on your primer design goals. SeqBuilder is used for PCR primer design, Primer Select for general primer and probe design, and SeqMan Pro for sequencing primers to fill in gaps in an assembly. From your sequence in SeqBuilder, you can select sequences or features of interest to design primers. When creating primer pairs, you can adjust conditions and primer characteristics. SeqBuilder will create the best primer pair and display it in the primer design view. You can then modify your primers as desired, and later use them to cut and clone PCR insert into a vector. When using Primer Select, you can specify your primer characteristics, as well as your primer locations. Then you can search automatically for the best primer pairs. Primer Select allows you to see multiple major primer sites simultaneously, as well as alternate sites. Finally, you can view reports showing primer composition, while also adjusting the lengths of your primers and modifying primer bases. SeqMan Pro can be used to design sequencing primers. Here, SeqMan Pro's primer walking feature identifies optimal primer locations surrounding areas of low coverage in an assembly to drive the closure of gaps or to fill in these low coverage areas.